Good afternoon, everyone. This is just a short video on how to use the new members portal on ETOA.org website. And in this portal, you will be able to view invoices. So firstly, what you want to do is go to the ETOA website, etoa.org, and click on my profile. And in this, you put in your username, which is normally your email address, and then your password. And if you need your password reset, just contact your account manager or billing at etoa.org, and we will reset the password for you. So you will see that this brings you in to the members portal area. So if you just bear with me, I'll give you a quick guided tour around. So this is just an account that we set up for the purposes of the demonstration here. You will see here you've got my info, which is details about you, any orders that you've got, your badges. So this will determine if you're a buyer member or a supplier member. There's details in here about the company, company addresses, the memberships, payment methods, and company orders. If I just bring you up to the top here, so let me just bring you up to the top section first. If you're a buyer member, you will see this section here, voluntary contributions from our buyer members will greatly support ETOA in 2021. Please click here. If you click on this, it actually brings you through to the donation page. But for the purposes of today, what I want to show you is how to navigate through. So to view your invoices and events in GBP, please click here. And I'm going to do this because I know that there is an invoice in GBP here. So as it moves through. Okay. So again, if you wanted to see any invoices in euros, again, you click through, that just brings you through to the separate section. Okay, so we want to see if there is any company orders. So the company orders will be your memberships, things like that, and it's normally the admin person. So you'll see here that there is a company order or an open order that is valid. You can look at your open orders and all orders. All orders will have everything else, but you can, if you click in the date range, you can go back to last month or whatever and have a look. Just click apply and you will see all of the details there. Now I can click on this invoice here. There's a couple of items here that you want to have a look at first. So this is a link. So you can send this link to internally, or here is a download. So you can actually download the invoice. You will notice that we do not send out any invoices by attachment anymore, unless you have specifically asked for it. You can log on to the portal here and find these out. If you want an invoice as an attachment, certainly we can do that, but actually you can download it yourself. It's quite simple, just clicking here. Okay. So obviously there's an invoice here. It says it's giving me the option if I want to pay now. So I'm going to have a look at this. And it's going to bring me through to a payment area. This is all online. We can also take payments by card by calling the mainline number on the office, and we will come back to you on that. We'll click here. So there's a payment method. So it's obviously if there's a credit card you want to put in, you put in your card number, the CVV details, and you would need to put in a billing address for that. Okay, I'm just going to come out of that for 1 second and show you that for the buyers, if you click here, this is a voluntary contribution, as we talked about before. And you can put in your donation amount there. So it could be £100, could be £1,000, whatever. So you type in what the amount that it is, click donate, and then it will bring you through, it adds it into the cart, then you just go to checkout. So that is that. If you can't find company orders in your profile, what should you do? Just look through, maybe you haven't been assigned an invoice because you're not the primary contact, but at ETOA we can send you a link through, so that's not a problem. If you can't find your invoice, you might be in the wrong currency. So that again goes back to the details of the invoices in the different currencies. So if I just go back up here, you click through to euros or you click through to GBP. Okay, if you think that your invoice has been is wrong, contact us at the billing at etoa.org email address and we'll help you sort it out. As we said earlier, you can pay by card through the portal, or we can take the payments over the phone, and I've shown you earlier how to download the invoice, which is easy enough. We would ask you just to ensure that that obviously any email that we send out obviously ends in an @etoa.org email address. We wouldn't be sending any invoices or requests for payment from any other domain. Please ensure that you open an email that has @etoa.org on it. All of the bank details are found on the invoices. So let's just go, I'll go back here and I'll just show you what that looks like. So bear with. Go into this one here, this dummy invoice. I'm going to download it. Okay, so you can see there's 2 pages to this. I'm going to click down to the second page. You will see here are the payment details for this invoice in particular. Obviously, you will have details there of the company, as I've shown you how to make the contribution. So thank you for your time. We're here to help. Billing@etoa.org is the main email address to contact us on. And if you have any queries, just please give us a call. But thank you again for all your support. And we very much look forward to working with you over this coming year. Thank you so much.